Hi guys, happy vlogmas. I am feeling like crap. I don't feel like good at all. I'll try to vlog my best I can today. I really want to like full on do a whole month of vlogmas. So I'm trying my really best. I have like 2 videos to upload and I'm just like, I don't feel good. My body aches. I'm on lunch break right now. But I really don't feel good at all, like, at all. My body just is killing me. Josh and I are renting this house that we live in right now, but we are actually not going to be re-signing the lease with them because I've encountered so many bad things with these landlords. They're old people. They like show up to the house like not even saying anything to us, and then like they recently were saying how they were switching to a new, like, before they would do the management, but now they're switching to a new management company to take over for them because they're really old, which they should have done a long time ago. So they're switching to a new management company or whatever, and they sent us a letter saying that they were going to do an inspection or something. Well, they didn't give us a time, they didn't give us a day or nothing. Luckily, Josh was off early the day that they came over, unannounced. Just was like, hey, we're here to do the inspection. It's like, my house wasn't even clean because it was a mess prior to the night before, because that's when we were decorating the tree and stuff. I was like, my house is a mess, dude. Like, why would you, like, show up unannounced? And like, oh, well, you, like, told Josh, you knew that we were coming. We sent a letter. Yeah, you stated that you guys were doing an inspection, but you guys were not saying you did not give us a time or date. When I lived in an apartment complex, they'd, like, do inspections, too. And they always gave us a time, a date, and, like, all that. They did not do that. They've done that too when we first moved in. They just popped up out of nowhere. And they didn't even inspect anything. They just, like, literally, like, were being nosy going through the house. I'm like, that's not an inspection. An inspection is looking at the safety stuff. So they didn't do any of that. They were just coming in being nosy. So, I'm not re-signing the lease with them. Plus, we want to buy a house, and I feel like us renting this house is just costing us more money. So I'd rather move back into an apartment. We're going to get a 2-bedroom. It's going to be like $1,400 a month, but it's okay. We could afford that. But we're moving back into a apartment, a 2-bedroom. I'm not going to have my beauty room anymore, but I will get one again when we buy a house. That's our long-term goal. My credit isn't as bad as I thought it always was. It's like literally far from what I thought it was. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to move into an apartment for a year, and I'm going to build my credit. So right now I'm like at Michael's looking at the ornaments. That sounds cute. I'm gonna find one for Maddie. Oh, look at that one. Yep, this is my lunch break. Look at that, so cute. I want to find a cute one for Madison. Just... Hey guys, we made some peanut butter chocolate covered cookies. So yummy. There's gonna be so much left over, babe, because look at how much I'm there. I got another batch cooking right. So yummy. Can anyone guess which one's Josh's cookie? He's so funny. So I did some chocolate and then some without chocolate. I do plan on taking some to work though, so yeah, all done. They look so scrumptious. subscribe to our channel. If you support Maddie.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah, no, come on. No, pick that up. What are you doing here?
Baby, bo, bo, bo. Bo, bo. Bo, bo, bo. Hey, bye. Choco. Hey guys, so say bye.
Say bye, good night.
I know.
Say good night. Yep. Alright, we're going to bed. This is usually our routine every night. I always lay Madison's backpack, her outfit and stuff. And then I leave the tree on for the nighttime. Don't you guys think it looks so beautiful? I like it that, I don't think I should update you guys, but these are the ornaments I went to Michael's when I showed you, when I was shopping. So yeah, these are the ornaments. Alright, say goodnight.
No.
It's time for bed, moms. Alright guys, good night. I will see you guys in the next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlogmas day. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'll see you next time. Bye.